Good evening, sir.
Hi, good evening.
How are you doing?
I'm well.
May I know your name, sir?
I'm Dr. Kapil Singhal. I'm a senior consultant neurologist at Metro Hospital, Noida.
All right. So, all the way from Noida. How do you feel about this amazing conference that we are holding where we have so many doctors all together in under one roof?
This is a wonderful event which is fortunately being organized by one of my faculty's names, Dr. Achal Srivastav. It's an event which is occurring after almost 2 to 3 years with the huge presence of most prominent neurologists across the country. Amazing event.
All right. So when it comes to epilepsy, now that everybody knows, it's such a word that almost everybody is aware of. But there are still a lot of people who are very scared of the term epilepsy and they're not coming out and talking about it, wherein they already are going through it. So what would you like to say about that to them?
So the only thing I have to say is that still large number of people, especially in the rural areas, are not getting the right treatment because they still believe that epilepsy is not a treatable disease. Epilepsy is as treatable as any other fever or any other illness. We have wonderful medicines available. We have wonderful medicines which don't cause side effect, and right treatment at the right time can just lead to modification in the life of kids, adults completely.
All right, and when it comes to taking care of the patients who are going through it, what message would you like to give it to the caregivers? What things they should be keeping in mind while taking care of them, or what are the things they are not supposed to do? What would be your message to them?
My the main thing is epilepsy is something which we don't have to worry about. We have to fight it and win over it. Epilepsy is like any other disease. If we treat it in the right manner, we will be free of epilepsy. We don't have to hide our symptoms. We have to get the right treatment and we have to follow the doctor's advice so that we are able to get over with epilepsy. Don't be afraid of your disease. Identify it, fight it, and win over it.
All right. So, are you saying anybody who's being taken care of can be healed in a very small span of time?
So the span of time may be variable. The main thing is seizure control, which can be achieved with a few medicines. The main thing is we have to treat the patient in the right manner, and we can treatment duration doesn't matter. Control of the disease matters. That is the most important thing.
All right. Thank you so much for your words, sir. It actually helped our audience. Maybe now we are expecting a lot of people will come out and talk about the disease. If at all they require help, they might just seek out for it. Thank you so much for your words, sir.